Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Andrew. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below for every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko. Updated kayo! For today's video guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ayala Center, Cebu. And we're actually on our way to a restaurant. Restaurant ba? Kakain ba tayo? Saan tayo papunta, Tel?
Texas.
Texas?
Yeah, like the States.
Is it a dream come true?
Wow. Because it's reachable through Char.
Dito daw kami ngayon kakain sa Texas Roadhouse. And we're checking out the menu. Ito pa yung menu nila. They do have starters, ranges from $295 to $1,000. Burgers, duck side, favorites, freshly made salad, soups, shareable platters, fall off the bone, ribs, and some ribs combos. So this is the whole menu guys. Meron din silang Texas size seats for 125 pesos.
Actually, meron din ganyan pa-promo doon sa ano, Italianis.
Italianis?
And sa CG
IF. Dyan ang
Puntahan ba
nasa harapan lang
natin
natin.
isa-isa
Yeah, tara! If we have the money, joke. Sana si Judith pala.
Habol daw siya.
Habol na siya.
On the way.
Si Joy.
I think sa daan siya ngayon.
Sa Daan Bantayan. At si Christian.
In his hometown, will attend a wedding po, no? For a change, for the vlog, charot lang.
Parati na tayong samgyupsal dito, samgyupsal doon. Parang natry na natin lahat.
Sana parang.
Sana all.
Parati.
Pero paminsan-minsan lang.
Guys, huwag kayong maniwala. Hindi siya parang. Kakalabas lang natin ngayon, Drew.
We're going inside. Ito pa yung mga steak nila. Yung bar.
It smells.
Saucy. Here we are.
If you would like to share any comments or suggestions, you can scan our QR code here. Here's your menu, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. This is actually their menu, guys. So, Texas Roadhouse. Meron silang mga drinks. Ranges from $195 to $220. They do have beers. Wine, beers, liquor. Mga meals nila. St. Louis ribs. Cowboy roast beef. Some salads. Fried chicken. Buffalo wings, chili rolls, quesadilla. We're currently ordering some food.
Balita ko is malaki yung serve dito, so iba-iba na lang tayo tatlo. May isang steak, no? May isang barbecue pork.
And by the way guys, meron silang complimentary na bread with, I don't know what you call this. Comment down below kung alam nyo to. And some
Starter
peanuts.
natin.
Ito po yung dining area nila. Yan na lang.
Sa starter, gusto nyo ng potato soup?
Go.
Sige, so potato soup. Or gusto nyo ng salad?
Yeah.
Palikunin natin to, oh. Isang soup, isang cheese quesadilla. Okay lang. Char.
Can you see it? Nagmamayabang ba? Drew, may bago tayong ano, Drew. Malala, ano na ba? Alex Gonzaga. Ito yung kinuha natin. Yung Texas sized sets. Sabi dito, it starts daw at 425 pesos. Start lang yun may additional kung magpili kayo ng mga may plus-plus dyan. And then siguro kung gusto nyo ng additional drink, for sure, may price din yon. So ngayon, yung sa atin is, eto na, may starter, may entree. Bahala na kayo mag-adjust, guys. Depende na sa school. So, entree. Tama ba, Drew? Entree? Yeah. So, parang meal na siya with a drink for short. Para hindi na tayo mahirapan sa mga term na yan. So, sa starter natin, kumbaga yung parang side, so, meron tayong salad. Tapos, may vinaigrette daw. So, aminin na ba natin doon na no camera yan siya, Drew? So, alam nyo na guys, kung may galaw-galaw ang camera, it's new. Pinagmalaki ba? We have the California salad. And then, eto daw is yung carrot. Ay, wait, ano mo tawag dyan? This one is called the carrot sweet potato soup. Na may biscuit siya sa side. Ano kaya yan? Rabisco? Shout out! Masarap? Okay. Pasado kay manager. Na may plus 75. So, for sure yung meal nyo is magiging more than 425. And then, yung sa parang, ano ba tawag, main course or entree pala, entree, charot. So, tayong dalawa, Drew, same tayo, steak loaf. And then, yung kay Jomar lang yung naiiba, sa kanya yung is, barbecue pot, tenderloin. Yun na yun, parang na tayo, 3 meal na, so share na tayo niyan. Meron din ganito, Drew, sa Italianis, tsaka sa TGIF. So, na. Kamusta ang pagkain, Jomar?
Masarap.
Oy, nakita ang brand. Sana all.
Masarap mainit pa. Kakatapos na namin kumain sa Texas Roadhouse. Super busog na talaga. And I cannot breathe. Parang, it's not a good feeling. It's not a good feeling yung pagkabusog namin kanina.
I also got busog. Char!
Kinain ko pa sa lahat ng side dishes
Oo
mo.
nga, no? Thank you so much. Busog talaga, guys. Like, gusto ko munang tumambay doon para lang maano yung pagkabusog. But then, may dumating na mga buwisita. Charot.
Nagpa-practice sila ngayon. Di ba yung school nila, di ba doon yung banda sa ibaba?
Under renovation ang space nila. Kaya sila dito ngayon. Sulit naman siya. Hindi na kailangan ng extra rice or ano. Sa lahat ng sides pang hindi na siya gawing rice, extra rice yung sides. Uy, ang sarap ng amoy kape.
Ano pala yun? Happy coffee.
Pambabae man din yung rush guard.
Baba tayo.
Ikaw, Tan, hindi ka bibili ng rush card?
Meron ako doon.
How many stars will you give to Access Roadhouse?
I'm gonna give them 7. 7, pero based sa environment tsaka yung complimentary bread, 10 out of 10. Kasi masarap talaga. Kasi mainit pa talaga yung bread.
Many minutes later.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Food Avenue, dito sa Ayala Mall. And we're currently looking for some food here. Kakatapos lang namin kumain at ngayon maghahanap na naman ng pagkain. What are you craving for?
I don't know yet.
Gutom ba? Or
So far.
kumain kayo doon sa binyag? May
Hindi
pagkain
ako
doon.
kasama eh.
Ano to? This is the Whole Food Avenue during nighttime. And let's go over there, yung may view. At yung CR pala nila guys, I think it's over here. Malapit na siya sa my boy belly. Diyan po yung CR nila. At may stage pala sila dito. Moment guys, you can't see anything. Ayan. All you can see is me. Let's go back. These are a couple of businesses na meron dito. Playground din pala dito sa taas. At may fiesta sa Cebu.
Try.
Ano yan? Anong flavor?
Popsicle. Popsicle. Ayaw cool.
Popsicle. What flavor? Strawberry daw.
Strawberry. Ito kung bakit. Wala.
Rice bowl.
A beef rice bowl.
Yeah.
No? How much?
It's 145. Buy one,
Ay,
take
wow.
one.
So, nandito yung take one. Kanino yan?
Girl.
Dapat nag-ask ng bigger bowl.
Kakain muna tayo guys. Again. So, we'll see you in a bit. Let's see. We just finished eating sa may food court nila dito sa may Metro, sa may Ayala Mall. We're gonna end the video. Sina Judith at si Sean. Meron silang ibang plano ngayon. At early kami ngayon uuwi guys. So thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video for today. See you in the next vlog. If you have any other suggestions, just comment down below.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.